Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to Succulents Box's plant care session. Today, we will be looking into a common issue that many indoor gardeners experience, but don't always understand: mineral deposits on plant leaves. You've probably seen it before: white, chalky streaks or dusty spots on your plant's leaves that just won't wipe off. At first glance, it might seem like powdery mildew or even mold, but more often than not, it's simply mineral buildup. These white or gray streaks are residues left behind when water evaporates from the surface of your plant's leaves. It's mostly calcium, magnesium, and other mineral salts found in hard water. If you've been watering with tap water, especially in areas with mineral-rich water, those spots are pretty much inevitable. Another common cause is fertilizer sprays. If you like to mist your plants with diluted fertilizer, those minerals can stick around after the water dries. Over time, they build up and create that chalky look. When those deposits get thick enough, they start to interfere with the plant's ability to photosynthesize and breathe properly. Even environmental pollutants and dust can contribute to mineral buildup. If your plant is near a cement wall, limestone surface, or even an open window in a busy city, airborne particles can settle on the leaves and mix with moisture, leaving that telltale residue. When mineral deposits coat your plant's leaves, they essentially act as a barrier, blocking sunlight. If light can't get through properly, the plant's ability to photosynthesize is reduced, which means less energy and slower growth. Also, those white streaks can clog the stomata, the tiny pores on the leaves that allow the plant to breathe and release moisture. When those get blocked, it can lead to poor air exchange, wilting, and even leaf damage over time. Thin-leaved varieties like ferns, African violets, and orchids might develop brown spots or even leaf burn if mineral deposits are left unchecked. Meanwhile, hardier plants like succulents and cacti tend to tolerate it better, but they're not completely immune. How to clean those pesky mineral deposits off your plants? The first step is to simply wipe them down. This is the easiest and most effective way to clean off mineral buildup. Just grab a soft microfiber cloth or sponge and dampen it with distilled or rainwater, not tap water, since that can just add more minerals. Gently rub the surface of each leaf to lift off the residue. For delicate leaves, make sure you support them from underneath to avoid tearing. This method is perfect for mild to moderate deposits and is safe for most houseplants. Next, if the buildup is light, you can try rinsing them off. Take your plant to the sink or shower and give it a gentle wash with distilled water. Let the water run over the leaves to dissolve the minerals. This works particularly well if you tend to mist your plants often and notice that white dust appearing. It's also a good preventative step to wash away any early buildup before it gets thick. Then, if the deposits are stubborn and won't come off with water alone, you can try a vinegar or lemon solution. Mix 1 teaspoon of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice with a quart of water and gently apply it with a cloth or spray bottle. These mild acids help break down the mineral crust so it wipes away more easily. Just be sure to rinse the leaves afterward with clean water to remove any lingering acidity. You definitely don't want to leave any residue that might irritate the plant's tissue. If you want a natural option, you can also try a milk and water mix. Just mix 1 part milk with 3 parts water, then gently apply it to the leaves with a cloth. The milk helps to soften mineral deposits, and as a bonus, it can add a tiny bit of calcium back to the plant. Be sure not to use undiluted milk, as it can sour or leave its own residue if not rinsed off. One of the best ways to prevent mineral buildup is to avoid using hard tap water. If your tap water is mineral heavy, consider switching to filtered, distilled, or rainwater. These types of water are much softer and won't leave that chalky residue behind. Avoid overhead watering and misting if you're not using soft water. Watering directly at the soil level keeps moisture off the leaves and prevents evaporation from leaving minerals behind. If you love misting, try doing it with distilled water instead. If you're using foliar fertilizers, make sure you dilute them properly and only apply as directed. Over-concentrated sprays can leave minerals behind, especially if they dry too quickly in warm conditions. Wipe your plant's leaves regularly. Even if you don't see obvious buildup, dust and tiny mineral particles can accumulate over time. A quick wipe down once a month can go a long way in keeping those leaves shiny and healthy. And that's it. Everything you need to know about identifying, treating, and preventing mineral deposits on your houseplants. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Succulents Box. We hope this session helps you keep your indoor jungle lush and healthy. Until next time, happy planting.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.